So this is my room. This is the first English video with my new camcorder, and you can see here we have myself with an old globe, probably from the 70s. It's a cool little lamp, some souvenirs, my two cats, and here got some more stuff. These are CFLs from Spain, and this is one from Greek. Some incandescent bulbs, and here we have some parts of my collection. A vintage fan and a lot of keyboards, of course. My retro collection. We have an old CE clock and an old telephone. We got another one, but I quite often use it, so it's down there. And we got this cool preheat ceiling lamp and an A3 fan there, small one. Here on the desk we have my mom's computer and my big cassette and my small cassette. Got some random stuff on it. And also we have this cool thing. But this is a Swain or something, and it's a preheat desk lamp. You can see we have a radium bulb in it. Oh, you can't, but it's a radium bulb. I'm looking out to replace it with one of those Osrams. Isn't that awesome? And then here we have, forgot to show this is my fluorescent lamp collection. I got a little fluorescent lamp here and some old CFLs. I got a CE Biax for Swissmatic. Some other old ones, and this also one to fill up the space. I need to look to put something a little more interesting there. Maybe one of those Philips bulbs. So it's the back of my camcorder. Here we have pretty much all of my CFLs, except for those ones, because I don't want, if my bed is going to crash down, that all the CFLs are broken. My little fan there. Here we have a vintage Philips fan that I did a video about. Unfortunately still in the old quality. And some junk and a box fan and stuff. Some keyboards. Some more random stuff. And then down here is the main part of my collection. We got some fans. And this box, it used to be the box of the big soccer fan, but now it's a box where I got a lot of wires in. Light bulbs I don't really care too much about. They all got boxes. I got this cool Osram adapter, which I guess it's quite expensive, and I bet I should put it there. But I put it here for some reason. This USB fan. Sorry, this video is so shaky. And we got some more stuff. And then here we have my normal generic incandescent. You see something you soon see. And yeah, a lot of incandescent bulbs, and you don't see them. That's nothing. That's nothing. And a red radio. Crappy thing, but I have it. And we'll come. So I got a lot of wiring there. I got a 6-strip extension and got another one right there. And I got a lot of extensions over here. Which we got the one which comes from the wall. Thing goes into the black one. Thing goes into that one. And a lot of people say, yeah, you aren't supposed to put extension cords. You know, like that, one into another one, but I mean, up there pretty much LEDs, that's the lava lamp. Those LEDs and fluorescents as well. Yeah, I mean the computer does use some power and it's plugged into there, but it's plugged into the first one, and that will definitely handle that. Same thing with here, I'm not gonna plug much into there. And again, we'll open this up. Here's my wiring. And this one is the one which comes right from the mains. And if I ever got a heavy load I need to plug in, and I don't want to plug it in back there, or can't even do so, but if I ever have a heavy load, I'll plug it right into this one. To come back to the wiring, this is the main input. Comes from the wall. That's the main switch. So everything's off. And this thing takes a little second to turn back on. And until air comes out of there, it also takes a little, but I'm not going to turn it on and off because it makes the fish go crazy. So this is for my room fountain, and then we have all of these, which goes off. This one is aquarium heat, aquarium pump. We got 2 outlets, and my night lamp. And then we go into this one, which then goes in there. And also the aquarium light and the pump. Since the pump is very annoying. You can see it's in here, I don't know how to turn off. Yeah, that's that. So, yeah, it's pretty much it, I guess. Oh, so, you see those white bricks as the room fountain is in? I have remotes for everything. This is my nightstand, I got plant, room fountain, and this IKEA lamp. And I love to have stuff on my walls. I think because the plain walls, they look quite boring. You can see you can get a cassette one. German, but you know. Some fan art. Fan art. It's more art for my friend, but yeah, he said I can call it fan art. So yeah. Room fountain. Mini ceiling fan and the cool clock from the 90s for my mother. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.